country and blues.
In New York City.
This club's gonna be different.
Play some real music!
The name of this band is Talking Heads.
We're Blondie.
We're the Ramones.
We're the Jet Boys!
Patti Smith Group.
Lou Reed.
You're a rock star.
What does Cbgb stand for?
Country, bluegrass, blues.
We have a band.
Cbgb gets new customers buying drinks. You get to play for an audience. You might want to consider an exterminator.
Not very country.
Hard to get Conway Twitty down to the Bowery.
You have no idea what's about to happen here.
You gotta spend money to make money.
You're gonna have money to spend money to make money.
We've had some complaints.
I'm not a very patient man, so I suggest you give me what I came here for.
You treat me right, I'll treat you right. How you been, Leslie? Call me that.
City's cracking down. Hillel Crystal. Divorced. 2 bankruptcies.
I've been thinking I should start managing some of those bands. I am gonna get them a record deal, and they are gonna be big. These kids have something to say. We really should listen.
You're punks. Anything bad, anything wrong, you want to do it.
What are you doing?
Invest it.
That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. We got bills to pay.
You have no vision, Merv.
What happens to the cash at the end of the night?
I put it in the freezer. Why would you save for your dreams? Why not live your dreams? Nobody is gonna like you guys, but I'll have you back.
We got 4 songs. I don't want to walk around with you. I don't want to be tamed.
Anything you want to do?
We're working on something now.
Something positive?
Yeah, it's called I Want to Sniff Some Glue.
Clean those toilets. They're disgusting.
Your dog is crapping everywhere. This is not a kennel.
You're gonna want to crank it.
Not a bad night.
Nearly electrocuted a guy.
Doubled the attendance.
Cbgb, country, bluegrass, blues. But without all that country, bluegrass, or blues.
You play too loud. I'm walking out.